Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about operations on real numbers. So as we know already that what is a real number? A real number is nothing but the union of rationals and irrationals. The rationals and irrationals. So under the operations of real numbers, we know that what are the arithmetic operations? We have four types of arithmetic operations are there: plus, minus, product, division. So addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are the four arithmetic operations. Now we are going to find what are the arithmetic operations between rational number and irrational number. What is that result? What about this result? Let me consider first a sum of a rational number and irrational number. Sum of rational and irrational. Sum of rational and irrational. So irrational must be irrational. So in the sense is q plus s, a rational number and a irrational number. If you add rational and irrational, so we get a irrational number. We get an irrational number, that is a sum. Its sum is irrational. So here rational number subtracted and irrational, that is if q and s are in the subtraction process, so the difference difference is also irrational. The product of irrational and irrational so is the product. So product also irrational number. The division, so division, rational and irrational. So division of rational and irrational is also quotient. This is called quotient. Quotient is also irrational number. It is nothing but the sum, difference, product and division of a rational and irrational is always irrational numbers. Then coming to what about the arithmetic operations between two irrational numbers. So let me consider irrationals. A sum of irrationals may be irrational or may not be irrational. The difference, so difference also, difference of two irrational numbers, any two irrational numbers is also may be irrational or may not be irrational. So coming to the product, now our topic is this one. So product of any two irrationals also may be irrational or may not be irrational, is the same as quotient also. So let me consider what about the product conditions. The product of two irrationals, let me consider product of two irrationals. Product of, let me consider example. So root 2 into root 2. So root 2 is a irrational number. So again root 2 is a irrational number. So root 2 into root 2 can be written as root 2 whole square. So root 2 whole square in the sense square and root get cancelled, that means 2. So product of two irrationals is a rational number. And sometimes, so product of root 2 into root 6, it is root 12. So this can be written as root of 4 into 3. So 4 has root. This root can be splitting as root 4 into root 3. So root 4 is 2 and 2 root 3. This is irrational number. In this process, in this case, root 2 into root 6 is irrational. Root 2 into root 2 is rational. It means that sometimes the product of two irrationals is rational. And sometimes the product of two irrationals is irrational. So now we are going to consider this case. The product of two irrationals is rational. So when the product of two irrationals is rational, This process is known as rationalization or rationalizing process. This is called rationalization. Very, very important topic, rationalization. Rationalization. Why we are going to use this rationalization? What is the necessity of rationalization? This is used to simplify the irrational numbers or simplify the real numbers. Okay, so when we are going to simplify this rational numbers or real numbers, so this rationalization process is very useful. So especially we are going to rationalize the denominator while adding the two irrational numbers or series of irrational numbers. So we are going to use the rationalization process. Very important this is. Now, how to find the rationalizing? So now, suppose for example, root 2 into root 2. Previously we considered this example. Root 2 into root 2 is equals to 2. So in this example, root 2 and root 2 are irrational numbers and 2 is a rational number. This process already we know, that is a rationalization process. In the rationalization process, the two irrationals which are involved in the product are known as rationalizing factors to each other. So this is called RF, rationalizing factors. Rationalizing factors. So this is root 2 comma root 2 are rationalizing factors, because when you multiply these two becomes rational number. So for any given irrational number, there are infinitely many rationalizing factors. So let me consider root 2 into root 2 is equals to 2. So for this same root 2, we can take a root 8 also. If you take root 8 into root 2, this is root 16, it becomes 4. That is also rational number. So for this root 2, we are going to consider 32 also. 32. Root 2 into root 32, we can take here root 64. Root of 2 into root 32, root 64. Answer is 8. That is also rational number. So which is a rationalizing factor, sir? Here we have a doubt. So for same root 2, there are different rationalizing factors, because each and every answer is a rational number. This is also rational, this is also rational, this is also rational. So for given root 2, there are root 2, root 8, root 32 are rationalizing factors. But in all the cases, we are going to consider always the simplest form of rationalizing factor. Generally, there is a formula to find the rationalizing factor directly. If an irrational number is in the form of nth root a, its rationalizing factor is nth root of a power n minus 1. This is called general formula. But in this topic, this is for single irrational number. Then binomial irrationals. So how to find the rationalizing factors? Let me now check. So how to find the rationalizing factors for binomials? So for this we have to know about algebraic formulas. So let me know. So if a given irrational number is in the form of root a plus root b, its RF is root a minus root b. If a irrational number is in the form of a plus root b, then its RF is in the form of a minus root b. So vice versa, and also it is vice versa. If the given number is in root a minus root b, then it is root a plus root b. Root a minus root b, this is root a plus root b. Then vice versa also it is possible, because both are in the product condition now. Next, so if So like that we can find all the rationalizing factors. So let me check. Okay. If another irrational number, this is cubed root a plus cubed root b. So cubed root a and cubed root b. This is a rationalizing. This is a given irrational number. What is its RF? What is its RF? So how to find this is RF now. So cubed root a, cubed root b. Now this RF is in the form of cubed root of a square plus cubed root of ab plus cubed root of b square. So this is, sorry, this is equal to plus, means it is minus. So now under which formula this is? This formula is a cube plus b cube, that is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So if you know algebraic formulas very well, then we are easily find out the irrational numbers, rationalizing factors. Easily find out the rationalizing factors. Okay. So next, for our better understanding, we are going to give some formulas, some problems. So how to find the rationalizing? So rationalize the denominator as follows. So given that, one question number one, let me check. So 1 by 3 plus root 6. So simplest form, or find the or rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. How to find the rationalization in this one? So here first we are going to find what is the irrational number here. So here irrational number is root 3 plus root 6 is irrational. What is the RF? The RF of 3 plus root 6 is 3 minus root 6. So now to simplify this one, so we are going to multiply 3 minus root 6 on both numerator and denominator. So solution, let me consider, this is 1 by 3 plus root 6 into 3 minus root 6, because it is a rationalizing factor. The same rationalizing factor we are going to multiply on the numerator also, 3 minus root 6. Because in our mathematics, so we should not change the value for solution time. So next on this, 1 into 3 minus root 6, this is 3 minus root 6. So this is 3 plus root 6 and 3 minus root 6. This formula is a plus b into a minus b formula. This is a plus b into a minus b formula. This is a square minus b square. Under this formula, this is 3 square minus root 6 whole square. So this can be written as 3 minus root 6 by 3 square in the sense 9. Root 6 whole square and root get cancelled is 6. So answer is 3 minus root 6 by 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. So this is our solution. So we are rationalize the denominator. So yes, so denominator here, the denominator is 3 plus root 6, but here the denominator is only 3. It is very easy to simplification. Next, like this. So we are going to find another value. So simplify. Question number 2 you can write simplify. So fourth root 81 minus 8 into cubed root of 343 plus 15 fifth root 32 plus root of 225. So this is the question. You have to solve this question. So it is very simple now. So fourth root 81. So before going to do this one, we have to do the prime factorization. So 81. What is the prime factorization? 3 table, 3 27s, 3 9s, and 3 3s. So how many 3s are there? 3 power 4. This is 4th root of 3 power 4. This is again 8 into cube root of 343. So 343 also we are going to divide it 7 table. In 7 table where it is gone 7 fours or 28. 7 fours are remaining 6. 63 will come. So 7 9 63. This is 7 sevens 49. 7 ones. This is 7 is 3 times. 7 cube plus 15 into 5th root of 32. 32 can be written as 32. 2 table you can consider 2 16s, 1 to 8s, 1 to 4s, 2 2s, 2 1s. There are 5 2s. That is 2 power 5 plus 225. This is a perfect square. You know this is 15 square. So 4 and 4th root get cancelled. Power 3 and cube root get cancelled. Power 5 and 5th root get cancelled. Power 2 and square root get cancelled. So now the remaining process is 3 minus 8 into 7 plus 15 into 2 plus 15. How much is 3 minus 7 8s are 56 plus 15 2s are 30 plus 50. So how much value this is? So positive values we have to take. This is 45, 48, 48 minus 56. How much 48 minus 56? It is a big number is minus. Then 16 minus 8, 8. So remaining, this is answer is minus 8. Answer is minus 8. Okay. So this is the how to find the process of irrational numbers. So finally, so we are going to do one more question for this irrational number. So let me check. So one more question is there. Question number 3. So root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 is equals to a plus b root 6. A plus b root 6. So what is the value of a and what is the value of b? You have to find a and b values now. So there is a hint in this question. Let me check. Here numerator and denominator is there. The numerator and denominator is there, but in the case there is only numerator. There is no denominator. That's the reason why. So we are going to rationalize the denominator. So what we have to find also in our question, it is very clearly mentioned. So that's the here only numerator part is there is no denominator. That's the reason why we are going to rationalize the denominator now. So here RF of root 3 minus root 2 is root 3 plus root 2. We know that root a minus root b. RF is root a plus root b. Right. So root a minus root b. RF is root a plus root b. Now, so we have to multiply with RF on both numerator and denominator. We get the answer now. Let us see. Now this is root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 into, so denominator is root 3 plus root 2. In the same number we are multiplying on numerator also, root 3 plus root 2. So what it happens, this is a plus b, this is also a plus b. That means a plus b whole square. This is root 3 plus root 2 whole square. Now this is a minus b into a plus b formula, a square minus b square. This is root 3 square plus, minus root 2 square. Minus root 2 whole square. Now, so we have to simplify this. So square and root get cancelled. Now answer is, this is a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2 times of a into b by, this is 3 minus 2. So now root and square get cancelled. So answer is, this is 3 plus 2 root of how much, 6 by 3 minus 2 1. So it is 1 means we should not consider that one. That is 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 root 6. Now it is in the form of a plus b root 6. A plus b root 6. Now in the place of A is equals to 5. In the place of B is equals to 2. So like this we have to find. Here the like terms, this is like terms. Like terms are going to be compared. By comparing the corresponding coefficients, A is equals to 5 and B is equals to 2 we get. So now here in this case, so there is a one NTSC question. So based on the irrational number, rationalizing factors, very very important this is. So for NTSC also, let me write one question. So find the value of 1 by root 2 plus 1 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 plus 1 by, so 1 root 3 plus root 2 plus 1 by root 4 plus root 3 plus and so on 1 by root of 100 plus root of 99. So what is the value of this one? So we know very well. So we are going to do the rationalization. The difference of this one, root 2 and root 1. 1 can be written as root 1 also. So this is root 2 and root 1. So there is a difference 1. Root 3 and root 2. There is a difference 1. Root 4 and root 3. There is a difference 1. Root 100 and root 99. There is a difference 1. So when we are going to rationalize this one, what happens? 1 by root 2 plus root 1 into root 2 minus root 1 by root 2 minus root 1. So this is a square minus b square form, that is root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 that is root 4, 2 minus 1 that is root 2 minus 1. This is the value, root 2 minus 1. That means in this place we have taken root 2 minus 1 value. So in this place, same as in this place, plus this is root 3 minus root 2 value. So like that, in this place we can take it as root 4 minus root 3 value. So like that, similarly we can take it as root 100 minus root 99 value. So before place, so in this before number, we can write it as root of 99 minus root of 98. So this is root 2 plus root 2 minus get cancelled, root 3 plus root 2 minus get cancelled, root 4 plus in this terms, continuous terms, root 4 minus also get cancelled. So root 99 and plus root 99 cancelled, root 98 and before it will be cancelled. The remaining one minus 1 and plus root 100. This is minus 1 plus root 100 minus 1 plus 10. Answer is 9. So very simple question. Like that we have to solve. So similar questions you have to practice, students. So thank you. So keep watching.